Hey, repair shop owners, I have a real quick question for you. Would you be surprised if I told you that you really only need 3 things in order to grow your car count, income, and profits? Well, on this video, I'm going to detail everything step by step. I'll show you the 3 simple things you need, explain it all to you. All you have to do right now is go ahead and buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. For those of you who don't know me, I eat, sleep, and breathe car count. That's what I do. And if you're a repair shop owner and you're interested in growing your car count, income, profits, and all that good stuff, go ahead and smack that subscriber button, ring the bell icon. That way, you'll be notified every time I update new information. So I asked you if you would be surprised if I told you that there were really only 3 things that you need to grow your car count. The number 1 thing you need is a reason to have a promotion. Why are you promoting your repair shop? Well, I'm going to refer to my list here, but there's really over 100 different reasons, and they start with simple things like Mother's Day, Father's Day, 4th of July, Memorial Day, Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and I think that was just 7 of the first 100. Now, if that's not good enough for you and you want to bring it home and be a little more personal, you could do things like your birthday, your wife or your partner's birthday. It could be your dog's birthday or your goldfish's birthday or whatever other critter you've got roaming around your house. And if that's not good enough for you, try this one. Hey, my accountant's out of time. But all in all, it's gotta be for a reason. Secondly, you're going to need a method of delivery. So you're obviously not going to go out of your shop and get up on the roof and beat your chest and scream from the rooftops. So you need a method of delivery. Now that could be anything from running ads on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or any one of those. I've seen shop owners who have run ads off of Google search. They're basically known as paid per click ads. All of this that I'm giving you now applies to whether you're running digital ads, whether you're running Facebook ads, postings on your Facebook page, or you're doing direct mail. Number 3, you're going to need an offer. So all you have to do in order to develop that offer is use the link below this video or in the description of this video and go ahead and book a strategy call with me. So look, I'm going to walk you through this real quick on my phone here. I'm going to throw my phone up here and show you exactly what's going to happen. Number 1, when you get to that page, you're going to get to ask the Car Count Fixer, and this is going to give you an opportunity to book an available time. You then just slide down and select the time slot that suits you and click the word next. It's really just that simple. Pick the time and the day that works for you and click the next. Right after that, you're going to be taken to a page where you're going to fill out some basic information, your name, your email, your mobile phone number, and just answer a couple of questions and go ahead and click the next button. You'll finally get to a page that's going to give you a couple of details. I want to remind you right now that the call that you get from me, it's coming from me, not my assistant, and it's coming from the 716 area code, my office. So if you're the type of repair shop owner that doesn't answer strange area codes, answer that call because that's me calling. And I don't typically call back too many more times if I miss you. So go ahead and do that. And on that call, I'm going to ask you a couple of simple questions. And from there, I'm going to build you your offer, your kick butt offer. And it's going to guarantee to put car count in your shop. And we're not going to do any discounting. We're not going to do any giveaways. And we're going to use your pricing. So go ahead and do that. And right after you do that, you're going to want to head over here and check out this other video. It's what YouTube says you probably want to see. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Talk real soon.